Should I get a dog? Should I get a dog? Should I get a dog?
No, stupid!
This person had a construction crew working on something in her yard when they got a little too close.
Hi!
Duncan. 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 Duncan.
MashaAllah.
He just flung cat litter out of the box. He's probably gonna do it again. Oh my god.
Come back in the house.
Hello?
This guy wanted to see what would happen if he screamed while his dogs were playing. Have you ever seen a cow that looks like The Rock?
Bully. You can't even. What are you hitting him with? You have no other arm.
You can do it. You can do it, Snowball. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Oh.
He's like, oh, there's a camera on me.
Two. Oh man, he's just getting it on.
I need an egg. Thank you.
Scientists found this weird, uncoordinated frog species that can jump, but almost never lands on their feet.
That's the size of your body. And it's like,
This is probably the most dramatic video you'll see today.
I got split. Run. Oh, he made it.
Is it the outlet? Is it the outlet? Are we yelling at the outlet? What did you? Oh my god.
Hello, Hank.
Oh!
He just ate it.
I got it this time.
I got it this time.
Oh my god.
me, and that makes me question getting married. Can you, like, think of me?
Stop. Shut up.
Hello. She wants to come in, Tessa.
No! Oh my god!
Don't go in your cheek. Come here. No, no. Pass me the bottle.
Ai, Zima, dois beijinhos, beijinho, 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 beijinho. Rezão!
This person tried picking up a frog.
2, 3.
All I'm saying is don't give me attitude.
This poor puppy was getting bullied until reinforcements arrived. A buffalo came by to help this tortoise that was upside down.
Oh my god! Let's go! Каждая.
Wilson just coughed and farted.
This is probably the greatest video you'll see today.
Get roly poly.
Hey, yo, buddy. You want this cheeseful?
Tell me what species this is. Bear. What the f?
Papu, papu, papu. Woohoo! Woohoo! Ha-ha! Malagi!
Excuse me, what is your opinion on the current state of the pandemic? Thank you.
Bark at your dog. Woof!